The final finalist, candidate number 5.
Our last finalist, male candidate number 5.
Congratulations on being part of the final 3. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling overwhelmed with the supports of every Capsunians here in this evening and the whole sequence of the event.
Alright, so are you ready for your final question?
Yes.
Okay, your final question is this. How did studying in Capiz State University main campus help you become a better person? Expound your answer. Again, how did studying in Capiz State University main campus help you become a better person? Expound your answer.
It is a privilege to be a student and to be a Capsunian. And by that, it is in me that I have been given that privilege in order to improve, to become a better version of myself. I have improved academically and as well as an individual. I have improved as a person because of an environment created by CAPSU that is conducive for learning. And by that, I believe that CAPSU has been a stepping stone for me to become a better person in the future in order to secure for myself a better future and a better future for the society. That would be all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, candidate number 5.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our male and female top 3 finalists in their final interview. And with that,